Hi everyone, I've got a Toyota Auris here on a 2015-16 plate. Just doing a headlight bulb, and let's just show you which one it is first. Could you switch the lights on please? That's it. As you can see, the driver's working, the passenger isn't. Now it's quite, switch the lights off now. It's quite a simple procedure on this. Now on the back here you've got this cover. I've already taken it off, which goes right there. As you can see, once you've taken the cover off, just gonna go and grab a light. Right on the inside here, that's the red plug there. What you need to do is twist that to your left. Once you twist it to your left, then pull the bulb out. That's the bulb there. And then you can click this in. And at the same time, you wanna kind of take it out, but obviously on my own. So I'm going to need a second hand, just give me 1 second. Right, I'm going to push this in and then gently pull the bulb out. That's the bulb that you need. It's a HIR2 bulb, which is right there. Got the new bulb right here as well. Take the new bulb out. Now there's only one way this bulb would go. So you've got the top lug, bottom lug. The bulb came out like this, so you know that's the way it's going to need to go back in. So pushed it in. As you can see now, I need to slot it through the hole. That's it. She's all done now. As you can see, it's right in there. Now you've got the top lug, the bottom lug, which goes on the sort of kind of on that gap there, and then the other gap on the other side. And we're just going to check if it's working now. Lights on. As you can see now, both are working. That's all you got to do on your car as well. If you do need any more information, please do let us know. Just before you start stripping, that's the bulb number there, HIR2, 12 volts, 55W. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.